The next exercise we are going to discuss is substitute function in MS Excel. Here I want to substitute a particular sentence with a line break. For that I would like to use substitute function. Here the address is given like in G3 cell John Smith 1234 Main Street, Chennai. Here I want to include the line break between John Smith and the street name and the name of the area. So for that we can make use of this substitute function. Here two addresses are given, so it is easy for us to do copy and pasting. But this substitute and then including line break in MS Excel will be useful when you have large amount of data. For that the syntax goes like this: substitute, open the round bracket, give your old text, comma, within quotes give comma. The reason is whenever there is a comma in the input, you are instructing the Excel to include a line break. For the line break function, the keyword is char within the bracket 10. If you are using Mac, then you have to give char 13. Since I am using the Windows version, I have given char 10. Then close both the round brackets. Then you will be getting the output as John Smith in the first line, second line your street name, and the last line will be your area name. So whenever there is a comma, the line break will be inserted. Let me give one more example. For the G4 cell, I have given the address, that is Raghu number 7, first floor, Ramnagar, Chennai 101. The syntax goes like this: type equal to, then give your function name, that is substitute, substitute, open the round bracket, type G4 because your input is in G4 cell, then comma, give your within quotes, you have to give the comma. You are instructing the Excel to insert a line break between each comma. Then type char 10, close the bracket, then type enter. You will be getting the output as Raghu number 7, first floor, Ramnagar, Chennai 101. Here let me give comma between number 7 and first floor, so that let us see what will happen. We will be getting the output as number 7 in another line, first floor will be in the next line. So similarly you can do line break wherever you have applied comma in your input. The syntax is substitute, old text, within quotes give comma, then comma, char 10, close the bracket. The char 10 for inserting line break in Windows, char 13 keyword will be used for inserting line break in Mac. Thank you.